Okay, so it's Friday, 16th of April, the RTH session plan. Yesterday, the days in the overnight and day session, we had this move. And now today's overnight is this move. And as you can see, we've done it. Tested the upper end of the channel, the lower end, the upper, the lower, the upper, the lower, the upper. And now what it looks like is that every time we've tested the upper part of the channel, we've had a grind, upper channel, grind, upper channel, grind, and upper channel again. My first scenario, I expect that we will having a bullish bias in the overnight. We will either go for the channel, continue higher, or we will grind in such a way to around 190, 192. And scenario 2 for me will be to revisit the bottom end of the channel to around 150 IB high from yesterday day session. So on the bigger picture, this is how I prioritize today my scenarios. So yesterday we opened, tested high, came back, found support and continued higher. So that was yesterday. My scenario 1, less the drop down. I had a drop in my scenario, open, drop down to 136, the VPOC, MC VPOC and the Friday VPOC, and then find a base and continue higher. That was the only difference. So, okay, that was yesterday's scenario 1. Today, as I just described, in blue, I'm going to be my scenario 1, which is we're coiling, so our expectation is for a quick move out of the area. It's another half an hour to the open. So test the Friday high at 66.5. Find the base and continue higher to 192. Scenario 1 is grinding inside the trend channel that I showed, and scenario 1.5 is a burst up above that channel and trend above it, using it as a support. That's my scenario 1 for today. Scenario 2 is we quickly take out the overnight high, find sellers, and then go inside the pre-market day's range. That 166, 68 stock zone. This is the overnight mid. Test the prior day's range from the inside. Travel down to the VPOC from yesterday, 158.5, 58.5. Test that. Continue lower to the LVN at 150. So that's already 22 points, 23 points of range. If we go any lower, we may take out the low of prior day, 41. It's about 30 points of range. A bit unlikely for a Friday. But yeah, key areas to test down the overnight mid, and then Friday naked VPOC 158.5, extend lower to 150, the low volume node 58.5, 150, and that's the LVN at 44, even, and the low at 41. That's scenario 2. Of course, this scenario 3, if we somehow find sellers very motivated, and we just dive right down, get to 136 MCV POC, the one I was expecting to get tested yesterday, find a base. So that's scenario 3. And of course scenario 4 is a drive up, gap and go situation. Scenario 4, we're opening about the prior day range, and we just open and we just take off. Scenario 4, take us to 4,200. And that's that.